Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about constructor. So let me create a file first. We know about class and object, right? So let's say I want to define a class. Let's say student, and here I want to create object for the class. So I will say Yamin student. Okay, so I will say here student like this. All right, so we have so now let's talk about constructor. So when you define an object, when you create an object, automatically a constructor will generate, okay, and call. So what is constructor? So it's an special method. It's kind of function, but in class we know all the function are called method, right? So when you actually create an object, the method will automatically call. So you have to initialize it, otherwise Python will automatically initialize it. So how to initialize the constructor? You have to say define, and then underscore, double underscore, then init, then double underscore, and then like this. And we have two types of constructor. So one is like this and another one is parameterized. Let's say here I want to say self.name. So I have to give here value, let's say Yamin, and self dot email. Let's say I want to say Yamin at gmail.com. So here let's say I want to say here student1. Okay, so now if I say print, I will say student1 dot the name, and print once again. I'll say student1 dot email. If I run the code, here you can see Yamin and Yamin at gmail.com. So this is not parameterized. Okay, so this is the default one, and we have another constructor that is parameterized. Let's say I want to say here diff underscore init underscore, okay, like this. And here I want to say parameterized, so I have to give here comma, and it's a name and email, and I want to comment out it, so I will say, and now let's go here and I'm going to say self dot name is equal to name, and self dot email, right? Email is equal to email. So now let's go for the parameterized one. So we have to give here value. Okay, we have to pass two parameter, name and email. So here I have to say, okay, let's say Tanvir, comma, email is Tanvir at gmail.com. And if I run it now, you can see, so the first one is the default one, and the second one is the parameterized one. Okay, so this is constructor. This is how actually you have to write constructor. You have to give double underscore at first, and then init, then one second double underscore, then self. In other programming language like C++, we have to mention here this, right? This dot name, this dot email. But in Python we have to mention here self. That's it. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.